Time zones and holidays. Time zones define the time and day of the week when things can or cannot happen. Time zones are found in the Setup Time Zone software menu. They do nothing on their own but are commonly used in access groups to define when users can use specific doors. They can also be assigned to a door or a floor so they will automatically unlock during a time zone period. If used wisely, the same time zone can be allocated to multiple doors and access groups. If it is decided to say, change the time each door opens and closes each day, rather than change each door's setup, only one time zone needs to be modified. This can save a lot of time and effort when administrating a small or large system. By default, the system has two time zones. Never and always. Never is valid never, and always is valid 24 hours each day. It is common for a 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., or similar time zone, to be created. Here you can see some example time zones have been set up. The color associated with the time zone can inform if the time zone is current right now. Green is currently in the time zone. Red is not in the time zone. Orange is deactivated due to a holiday. Blue is active during the current holiday. We will go through more on holidays shortly. The control on the right allows you to add, delete, and edit time zones. Click Add to start creating a new time zone. First, give the time zone a name. This should be something appropriate like business hours, front door time zone, or even the actual time, like 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. M to F for Monday through Friday. Next, enter a start and an end time using 24-hour time format. Time zones are flexible and can even start in the evening and end in the morning if required. Tick the day of the week. We will correct holidays shortly, but by default, during the holiday, the time zone will be deactivated. If you do not want the holiday to affect the time zone, tick the holiday checkbox in the time zone. Combine time zones. If you require more complex time zones, for example, a time zone that allows access for a few hours in the morning, and a few hours in the evening, or even different times each day, we do this by combining time zones. After creating the separate time zones, we can combine up to 8 time zones together into one combined time zone. On the right you can see the controls for adding, deleting, or editing combined time zones. Click Add to combine time zones. This will bring up the Combined Time Zones menu. Again, give the combined time zones the appropriate name, such as business hours. Here you can select each time zone you wish to combine. Holidays. Holidays provide the ability to override the operation of a time zone if required. For example, it may be necessary for a time zone to be secured for a public holiday to stop the public from entering the office. Holidays are used to determine when a time zone is deactivated due to a holiday happening. Holiday periods. Click Holiday then click Holiday Periods. This will bring up the holidays. Here you can see current holidays along with add, delete, and edit holidays with the controls on the right. Click Add. This will bring up the Edit Holiday Period screen. Give the holiday a name. Check yearly if the date is the same every year. Holidays can start at any time during the day. Enter the start time and the day you wish the holiday to begin. Enter the end date and time the holiday will end. Holiday types will not change, but we will go over this next. Once you have filled in all the information, click OK. You should now see the holiday in the list of holidays. Holiday types. Holiday types are used, for example, if you have a tenant that has different holidays than the rest of the building. Click Holiday, then Holiday Types to bring up the Holiday Types menu. Once created, you can create new holidays and assign them to a new holiday group. Click Add. This will bring up the Edit Holiday Type menu where you can give a name to the new holiday type. Now if you go to the holiday periods, you can assign the holiday type to holidays. Going back to time zones. If you edit a time zone, you can now see the new holiday type in the bottom row. This concludes the video on time zones and holidays. We hope this has been a big help. Thank you.